Hey you guys, so I just wanted to create a quick video for you to show you how to do a Piktochart if you've never done one before. This is a really easy way just to show some information, so let's get going. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is just go to a search engine, whichever one you want to use, and just type in Piktochart, and it's with a K, should already be coming up. All right, it's going to be the first one. All right, here we go. So I'm just going to log in. If you don't have a Piktochart account, you can create one right here. It says new here, create an account. It's free, you do not have to pay for it. I already have an account, so I'm going to pop my information in right here. Awesome, here we go. Like I said, if you already have an account, you may already have some Piktochart items up on your dashboard. If not, it's going to be blank. There are three types of Piktochart that you can create. Right over here you will see them: an infographic, a presentation, and a printable. For this assignment, I would like for you to do an infographic. So you can click here to bring that up, or you can come over here to create new and click there, and it will ask you, what do you want to create today? So that is going to be an infographic. These are the types of infographics you can choose from. These are on the free account. You can go to Pro Templates, and they have a lot more, but you have to level up and pay for those. But I'm going to stick with the free ones. Okay. So what you're doing for this assignment is you're going to get a handout today in class, but then I'm also going to put that on Blackboard so you can have that as well. I'm asking you to pick a topic from Chapter 2 or Chapter 3. Chapter 2, we're going to be looking at some chromosomal and genetic abnormalities like Down syndrome or sickle cell anemia or cystic fibrosis. We're also going to look at some infertility issues. So what I want you to do is to pick one of those topics and make an infographic about it. In Chapter 3, we're going to be looking at some drugs and their effects on prenatal development. So you may want to choose one of those, like heroin or methadone, marijuana, cigarettes, things like that. So don't pick a topic from both Chapter 2 and Chapter 3. Just pick one from Chapter 2 or Chapter 3. On your handout, I've also listed some requirements so you know what I'm looking for, and then also a rubric so you know how I'm going to grade you on this assignment. It's not hard, it's really easy, and I'm going to walk you through it right now. Okay, so you can pick whatever template you would like. I'm going to go with this one right here, so use template. And for the sake of just walking through this quickly, I'm going to pick a topic that I love to talk about, and that's going to be my dog. All right, so over here, this is where you get to be creative. And this is what I love seeing when you guys create this. I love to see your creative side. You know, everyone is different. This first is the graphics, and I definitely want you to use a variety of graphics. When you click this, you have shapes and icons, and you have a lot to choose from. Then you have some in color, and then just your black and white, the mono. You also have lines. You have photos that you can use. You can search for different ones. I mean, they have every topic you can think of, and then you can just search, type in something that you're thinking about and see if they have it. Okay? Uploads. If there is an image that you want to pull from the internet, like Google or somewhere, you can download that to your computer and then upload it here and then put it in your infographic, because I will tell you that Piktochart does not have any images on infertility or heroin or marijuana. Pretty sure they don't. All right, background. This is where you can change the background on your Piktochart. So they have a lot to choose from. Text. This is where you can choose what kind of text you want to pop in. Okay, let me delete that. Color scheme is not available for the free account. You have to level up, so we're going to skip that. Tools, I think this is so cool that they allow this on the free account. You can use a chart. They have all kinds of different charts if you choose to use that. They have maps, which is awesome. You can find anywhere in the world. You can search or you can just browse through wherever you want to go. And they also have a video, so you can include a short little video about anything. All right, so I'm going to go back up here. Click out of that. So I'm going to get started. First, well, I guess I should show you the blocks. The different sections of your infographic are called blocks, and you can see they are separated right here. I've asked you to do 3 to 5 information blocks, but I also want you to do a title block and a source block. So this first block up here is my title block. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and then you can rearrange these, create these however you want to. So I'm going to put my title here. If I can spell. I'm going to change the font. I'm going to find something kind of fun. Here we go. Like that. Change the color. I'm going to make it a little bigger. And I'm going to center it. Okay. Here, if you want something gone, you're going to have to delete it. I mean, every little line, graphic, photo, everything, you're going to have to delete it. All right, I'm going to drop my photo in here. And it's actually my personal photo. There's my pudding pop. I have to make it a little smaller. There she is. Okay. And I'm going to change this. Let's see. I'm going to make this bigger. Let's see. Let's just use. No, I don't like that. This is where it takes me forever. All right, now I'm going to put a background. I like that. Okay, because she is all girly, girly. Let's see. I'm gonna get rid of that. I don't need that. Okay. I'm gonna get rid of this. Get rid of that. And I want all of this out. I do not need that. And I'm gonna make that smaller because I do not need that much on my title block. Perfect. All right, so I got my title block. This is going to be my information block. So I'm going to take out, I mean, when I say you have to take out everything that you want, you seriously do. Okay. I'm going to take out this one. I'm going to move this one up here. And I'm just going to say, facts. I'm going to make this really big. Facts. Let's make this, let's use that one. I'm going to move this here and just type in some facts about, obviously you are not going to do this on a dog, you're going to do this on chapter 2 or 3, a topic out of there. Just for time's sake, you know, just rushing through this. Holding English Bulldogs. are known to be loyal, protective, and playful. They can live to be 13 years old. Okay, that looks good. Let's just pull this out some, move it, center it. Okay, that's good. Let's put a background on it. Let's go with blue. And ooh, let's move that here. Don't need cookies. Don't need any of this. Just clean it up. Okay, so that was an information block. You need more than one. Okay, if you want to insert, another graphic, something like that. Let's see, let's just go to graphics, show you how it works. You just look, photos, let's see. Oh, nope, not animated, got to pay for that. Okay, let's just do a heart. You just click on it. It goes wherever there. You just move it however you want to. Okay, an important one that sometimes is forgotten is the source block. The source block is super important because you want to give credit if you went and found information from somewhere else or somebody else. So, who has trouble citing sources? Okay, I'm always afraid I'm going to forget something, leave out punctuation, just do it wrong. A source that I use is called the APA citation machine. So I want to show you that real quickly. So just go to Google, type in APA citation machine. There it is. First one. All right. So I'm citing a website. So I'm going to click on website. I use this website right here. So I'm going to copy it and paste it here. And it found it. That's it. All right. So it puts all the information in for you. And it can do a book, a magazine, newspaper. It does everything. All right. Final step. Yes, please. Okay. Create citation. Or if it's missing some information, you can put it in, which the date I accessed it was today, the 21st of May, 2018. Create citation. What is this? Okay, view a sponsored message. That's great. What? This has never come up before. Are you serious right now? I don't want y'all seeing how old I am. Oh, okay. I guess I didn't have to begin. Y'all, are you serious right now? Yes, I enjoy couponing. What? I cannot believe this is... No, I don't play video games. Yes, I enjoy traveling. Yes. This is not happening right now. Yes. No. Y'all. Seriously, that has never happened. Ever. Oh my goodness. Okay. Anyways. I'm going to copy my citation. Oh my word. Oh my word. Come over here. I'm going to create a text box. I cannot believe that just happened. That is kind of big. I can't even right now. All right. So that's how easy it is. I do not know why I just had to take a survey. I can't even deal right now. Okay, background, pop in a background, and that's it. So if you have any questions, just let me know. If you need to get rid of a box, just click X. That stupid survey, I'm out of time creating this video. So if you have any questions, call me, email me, and I'll see y'all in class tonight. Thanks.